I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make enchilada gravy. First, let's gather our foundational ingredients. You'll need about 1/4 cup of a good cooking fat like vegetable oil or lard, and an equal amount of all-purpose flour to create our roux. For the dry seasonings, have on hand 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Finally, prepare about 3 cups of chicken or beef broth. Now let's build our flavor base. In a medium saucepan, melt about 1/4 cup of your chosen fat over medium heat. Once shimmering, gradually whisk in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, creating a smooth roux. Cook this mixture for approximately 1 minute, stirring constantly until it achieves a light golden color. Then, incorporate 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, cooking for another 30 seconds to bloom the spices. With our aromatic spice base ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in about 3 cups of chicken or beef broth, whisking continuously to ensure a smooth, lump-free gravy. This gradual addition is key to achieving a silky texture. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, then continue to cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the gravy thickens beautifully to your desired consistency. Your enchilada gravy is almost complete. Now, give it a taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. If you desire an even richer flavor, consider stirring in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter or a small splash of heavy cream just before serving. This homemade gravy is perfect for pouring generously over cheese, chicken, or beef enchiladas, elevating your meal to a new level of deliciousness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.